Studying the pop artist from Pittsburgh, Andy Warhol. Andy Warhol, born in 1928, died in 1987, pop artist. Pop art stands for the word popular because the subjects in pop art are usually things that are popular. Pop art typically features very bright colors. It began in Europe, but with the American artist from Pittsburgh, Andy Warhol made it world famous. He's known to have believed that fine arts that are found in museums can also be found in our stores or in our culture or even on TV. Today, the Andy Warhol Museum can be visited in Pittsburgh. It's located right next to PNC. Let's look at some of Andy Warhol's pop art. I bet you've seen this before in the store. Campbell's Soup. He has made famous paintings that hang in museums now based on this thing that you find in a grocery store. That's what pop art is. Let's take a look at another one. Have you seen this product in the grocery store? Coca-Cola bottles. He used everyday items that people buy. Let's take a look at some famous people. Here are images of very famous people. You'll see a picture of Warhol with his white hair, Marilyn Monroe, who's right in the middle, Queen Elizabeth, who's down at the bottom in the middle, even Barbie, Michael Jackson, Jacqueline Kennedy, even John Lennon and Madonna. Do you see Mickey Mouse? Yep, that's popular. One really cool thing about this slide, do you see the pink cows? You can actually see this in the Pittsburgh airport when you're walking through the terminals. It's on the wall. It's actually wallpaper. Here's another image up close of Marilyn Monroe and John Lennon. Here's an image of a hand that has been printed, and then there's a handprint over top, and there's 4 of them. Our artwork's going to look similar to this, but instead of using our hand today, we're going to use a crayon. Let's take a look. The materials that you need is a 9x9 square paper. If you don't have 9x9, just get a square paper. And you're going to fold it into 4 sections that are equal. You'll need the 4 crayon drawing, and the printout is located on Clever. It looks just like these crayons that you see. If you can't print it out, then you can just draw 4 crayons on a piece of white paper. You'll also need some crayons or oil pastels, a black marker, and a pencil. The photo shows a brown piece of paper. I'm sorry about that, but I didn't have an image of a white piece of paper. But you're going to take your paper and fold it in half, and then fold it in half again to have 4 equal squares. When you're done with this, you're going to color each square a different color. You're going to use 1 color in each square. You decide what colors you want to use, but remember, pop art is bright. When you're finished, each square should be colored. Now, if you can print out the crayons, that's great. You're going to print those out, and we're going to color each crayon a different color. You want to use different colors than what you used in your background, but if you happen to use the same color, don't worry about it. Once you're done coloring, you're going to carefully cut out each crayon. Please put glue on the back of your crayon and glue it down in the same direction in each of the 4 squares, just like the picture shows you. And that's it. You've created pop art. Don't forget to upload to Artsonia. The directions are right here. You can pause the video if you need to. Bup, bup, ba, dup, bup. Clean up.